Looking for a smarter and more powerful way to clean your home? Meet the Eufy L60 Robot Vacuum, a cleaning marvel designed to transform your daily routine. With ultra-strong 5000 PA suction power, this vacuum ensures a spotless clean every time. From hair to dust, even the tiniest crumbs don't stand a chance. It's perfect for homes with pets, hard floors, and carpets alike. The L60 uses iPath laser navigation, powered by advanced LiDAR technology, to create highly accurate maps of your home. This means it can navigate efficiently, avoid obstacles, and clean every corner with precision. Say goodbye to missed spots or wasted time, but that's not all. This smart robot climbs up to 20 millimeters to handle thresholds and carpet edges effortlessly. And thanks to its BoostIQ technology, it automatically adjusts suction power depending on the surface, delivering consistent and powerful cleaning results. What sets the Eufy L60 apart is its customizable features. With AI.Map 2.0, you can set specific room cleaning schedules, mark no-go zones, and even manage multiple floors, all from your smartphone or through Alexa and Google Assistant. Users rave about how it fits seamlessly into their lives. One reviewer, who has 2 shedding dogs, mentioned how this vacuum helped them maintain a hair-free home with minimal effort. They now only vacuum manually once a week for small touch-ups. Beyond performance, the Eufy L60 is incredibly easy to maintain. Its dustbin is simple to empty, and its compact, sleek design ensures it blends into any home. Plus, it's quieter than traditional vacuums, so you can run it without disturbing your daily activities. If you're tired of vacuuming and want a smarter way to keep your home clean, the Eufy L60 Robot Vacuum is the ultimate solution. With thousands of happy customers, this is the upgrade your home deserves. Make cleaning easier and more efficient. Try the Eufy L60 Robot Vacuum today and experience the difference.